No lira. Give me euros, or I call the police.
Call them! You are cheating me. Stop the car.
Hi, everyone. Today, I will tell you a real story.
A taxi driver tried to cheat me. He wanted more money.
But I stayed calm and I spoke English. Now, you will learn easy English to argue in a taxi. All right then, let's get started.
Wow, I am finally in Istanbul. It is so big and crowded.
Okay, Amelia, be confident. You need a taxi to the hotel.
Merhaba. Welcome to Turkey, lady. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. I need to go to Sultanahmet Square to the Blue Hotel.
Sultanahmet? Very nice place. Historic center. Hop in. Let me take your bag.
Excuse me, sir. The meter is off. Could you turn on the meter, please?
Bad luck. The meter is broken today. Technology problem. It's out of order.
Oh.
Broken? I read about this on the internet. It is a common trick. I must ask the price now. Okay. If it is broken, how much is the ride?
Don't worry. Usually expensive. But for you, special price. 1,500 liras or 50 euros.
1,500? That is $50. My app says it should be 600 liras.
App is wrong. Traffic is very bad on the bridge. 1,500 is good.
Huh.
Here, the highway is straight.
Too much traffic there. I know a shortcut. Trust me. Very fast.
He is driving in circles. He wants to make the trip longer. That sounds fishy. Please stop driving around. Just go to the hotel. I am tired.
Okay. We are here. Total is 2,000 liras. What?
You said 1,500. Why 2,000 now?
Bridge fee. Tunnel fee. Sunday fee.
Here.
Pay me quickly. No.
No. This is a total ripoff.
Hey, don't be cheap. You are a tourist. Give me 2,000 or I lock the doors.
Listen to me. I wasn't born yesterday. There is no Sunday fee in Istanbul.
I will call the police.
Go ahead, call them. Or I will call the tourism police. The number is 112.
Okay. You are crazy. Give me 1,000 liras. Just go.
That was scary. But I did it. I saved my money. Wait, my backpack? Where is my backpack? Oh no, my laptop, my passport, it's in the taxi! Oh my God!
That is a disaster!
Amelia saved her money, but she lost her most important document, her passport. Will she find it? Or is she stuck in Istanbul? You have to watch episode 2 to find out. But first, let's master the 6 native phrases I used in this video.
Listen carefully and repeat after me. Number 1. Hop in.
This is a casual and friendly way to say, get in the car. Instead of saying, please enter the vehicle, native speakers just say, hop in. Say it with me, hop in. Number 2, give me a hand.
Does this mean I want your physical hand? No.
It is a polite way to say, please help me. We use it especially for physical work, like carrying heavy bags.
Ask me, can you give me a hand?
Number 3,
It's out of order.
This means it is broken or it is not working. You can use this for elevators, ATMs, or machines. Travel tip. If a taxi driver says his meter is out of order, be careful. He might be lying to get more money. Your turn. It's out of order. Number 4. That sounds fishy.
No, we are not talking about food. This is an idiom.
If a situation sounds fishy, it means it feels suspicious or dishonest. You feel like someone is lying to you. That sounds fishy. Number 5, a total ripoff. This is a common slang phrase. Use it when a price is way too high. If a cup of coffee costs $20, that is a total ripoff.
Say it, it's a total ripoff. And the best phrase for today? I wasn't born yesterday.
I am not stupid, and I am not naive. You are telling the person that you have experience and they cannot trick you. Use this when you need to be strong. Don't lie to me. I wasn't born yesterday. Great job! Which phrase was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next drama. See you in episode 2. Bye!